Students, now we are going to see some numerical problems related to the Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin scale. How much will the temperature of 68 degree Fahrenheit in Celsius and Kelvin? So the temperature in Fahrenheit is 68 degree Fahrenheit. Students, now we are going to convert the 68 degree Fahrenheit in Kelvin scale and in the Celsius value also. So use this formula F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. Using this formula, we can easily find out the Kelvin value and Celsius value. Here the F value is 68. So 68 minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. So first we are going to find out the Celsius value. So C is equal to 5 into, when the division is going to that side, it can be changed into multiplication. So 5 into 68 minus 32, 36. So 36 by 9. 36 divided by 9, 4. So 5 fours are 20. So 20 degrees Celsius. Next, we convert the 68 degree Fahrenheit in Kelvin value. So use the formula K is equal to C plus 273.15. Here the Celsius value 20 plus 273.15. So the answer is 293.15 Kelvin. Next, convert 45 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. So use the formula F minus 32 by divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. Here we are going to find out F value. So when the 9 is going to that side, it change into multiplication. So 9C divided by 5. When the minus 32 come to this side, it change into addition. So plus 32. Then 9 into Celsius value 45. 9 into 45 divided by 5 plus 32. When you multiply the 9 with 45, we can get the answer. 9 5s are 54, so 4 by remaining 5. Then 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 5, 41. So 414 divided by 5. So the answer is 81. So we get the answer 81. So the 81 plus the 32, the 81 plus 32, the answer is 113 degree Fahrenheit. Next sum, convert 20 degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. So use the formula F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. Here we are going to find out the Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit F is equal to, when the 9 is going to that side, it can be changed into multiplication. So 9C divided by 5 plus minus 32 can be converted into plus 32. So 9C divided by 5 plus 32. Here the C value 20. So 9 into 20 divided by 5 plus 32. 9 into 20, 180 divided by 5 is 36 plus 32, 68 degree Fahrenheit. Next, convert the 68 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. Use the formula F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. Here we are going to find out the Celsius value. So C is equal to F minus 32 into, when the division is going to that side, that can be converted into multiplication. So into 5 divided by 9. So F minus 32 into 5 by 9. So here the F value is 68 minus 32 into 5 by 9. So 68 minus 32, the answer 36 into 5 by 9. Now we can divide the 36 with a 9. So 4 9s are 36. So 4. So 4 into 5, answer 20. So 20 degrees Celsius. Next, convert 185 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit scale. So C is equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. We can get this formula from F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. Here the Fahrenheit value 185 minus 32 into 5 by 9. So 185 minus 32 is answer 153 into 5 by 9. When you multiply the 153 with the 5, we can get the answer 153 into 5. So 153 5. 5 3s are 15, remaining 1, 5 5s are 25, so 26. 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So 765 divided by 9. 8 nines are 72, balance 4, so 45. 5 nines are 45, so 85 degrees Celsius. Next convert 0 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. K is equal to C by 273. Here the C value is 0, so 273 Kelvin. Next, minus 20 degrees Celsius is equal to dash Kelvin. So K is equal to C plus 273. Here the K value minus 20 plus 273.
Here minus 20 and plus 273. So plus and minus 273 minus 20, 253.